Hey guys, it's Justin Costello coming to you from MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I want to show you a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk that is available for sale. You can see some features here that it does have the stainless steel rub rail, teak step package, which gives you steps on either side of the gunnels, and then teak lined swim platform in the transom. It is equipped with the 90 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard motor. We also got the aft seats here that will come out. They are on hinges. You can pull them out if you need to, and also pull the backrest out, but it's a great area to have your guests sitting on the boat. You got a lot of deck space. It's a really big 17-foot center console. Got plenty of space up here to put any GPS or fish finder. We did get the fishing package, which comes with the compass, live well under this seat here, and then the rod holder storage and removable cooler cushion. Also kind of upgraded this to get the bow cushions. Really nice boat, fit a lot of people on this, easy to take care of. It's for sale. 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Beautiful looking boat, comes with a trailer. Give me a call, Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.